Gumdrop, can you give me that? How about this one? Thank you.
Diz, you look so freaking smart. I'm gonna let you do my taxes this year.
Are you going to school today? You very excited to learn?
Ellie. Princess not feeling this.
I don't think it's gonna help with the cross eyes though. But she does look so cute.
I'm very demurtsy. I'm very cutesy. I'm very demure.
Can you give me your paw?